Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Renzus. Today I'm showing you guys how to make highlight mouse pointer in Windows. Like this mouse pointer. Okay, before I get to the video, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell notification button and leave a comment below saying I subscribe. I reply as soon as possible. Okay, now let's jump to the tutorial. Okay, now open any preferred browser. Okay, now let's download. Okay, press download. Connect. Okay. Okay, after download, and then you go to your file and then go to downloads, and then you will see a thing called pfsetup.exe, and then you run. And then as you press yes. Okay, press OK. Okay, next. Accept the agreements. Next. Create desktop icon. Next. Install. Okay, guys, press install. For me, I already installed. Okay. Okay, so now let's jump to the settings. Okay. Now let me pull these things. Okay, and then you'll see a settings. Okay, here's all the shortcut key. Okay, and then the color, you can select the color. Okay, and then now it's green color. Okay, yellow color. Okay, and then you will see like a circle like this. So make sure to set to 50, and 50 size is 50, and then circle width is 30. So it becomes a circles. Okay, so this is a left click ring color like this, and then right click like this. Okay, so if you want to turn off this click animation, just okay, so no animation. Okay, so the enable hotkey is F add. Okay, now show keystroke. The keystroke like this. Control. Okay, let me press F9 and then control, and then you will see a control like this. Okay, so this is spotlight. Spotlight is like this. Okay, it's like this. Yeah, it will show, so you don't point. And okay, the spotlight is, yeah, like this. Okay, yeah. Okay, so now it's the pen. The pen is the F11. So you can draw like this, Okay. Okay, now go to the magnifier. Magnifier is the F12. So you can magnify. Okay, the remote, this is not, okay, this is not, don't need caddies, and then it's above. Okay, this software above. Okay, so this is now it's in a trail version, but you still can use it normally. I did not use the pair version, but still can use very smooth without any problem. You still can use a shortcut key, and so even you want to pair version, you can also, but trail version is enough for me. Okay, recommended, I think trail version is best, or maybe it's the pro. You can maybe the pro version have another features, but I think it's same. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and leave a comment below. Say I subscribe and share my video. See you next video.